Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome back again to your Unacademy Neat English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having a good time. So, my dear students, my name is Wasim Bhatt and I'm your chemistry educator here on this Unacademy Neat English channel. Well, in this particular session, I'm going to address all the NEET 2024 aspirants who have got certain doubts related to the deleted syllabus for the NEET 2024. Well, from last couple of days, I have been continuously getting messages from the students related to the JEE examination, right? And what doubts, what messages exactly I got, let me talk about them one by one. See, till now, in the month of January and February, almost like 4 to 5 shifts of JEE mains examination has happened, right? And almost in every shift, there were 1 to 2 controversial questions which were either asked in physics or asked in chemistry or asked in maths, right? And what type of controversial questions they were? First of all, as per the latest NMC guidelines, your syllabus has been reduced. There are some chapters which have been deleted. Now, in the recent JEE mains examination, in every shift, there were 1 or 2 questions which were either asked out of syllabus, right? Or there were some questions which were asked from the deleted syllabus. And NEET students are worried about that. NEET students are thinking, what if we also get questions from the deleted syllabus in the NEET 2024 examination? What if we get questions out of syllabus when it comes to the NEET 2024 examination? My dear students, since, if I talk about my subject, chemistry, right? There are almost 9 to 10 chapters which have been deleted. Perfect. For example, in NEET 2024, if a question is asked from the Boyle's law, which is from the chapter states of matter, and that states of matter chapter has been deleted, right? Imagine a question is asked from the Boyle's law. Will you call this particular question out of syllabus question? You are not going to call this as the out of syllabus question, because Boyle's law, now it comes in the chapter thermodynamics, right? In thermodynamics, you discuss isothermal processes, right? What are isothermal processes? When do we say ideal gas undergoes isothermal process? That means that gas is following the Boyle's law. So if the question is asked from the Boyle's law, that means it's not out of syllabus question, right? It is in syllabus question. Perfect. If the question is asked from the Charles law, right, where pressure of the gas is kept constant, that means the question is from isobaric processes. Perfect. Similarly, Gay-Lussac's law, volume constant. Perfect. Right, that is from isochoric processes. So first of all, have a proper eye on the syllabus, right? No doubt, in the syllabus, your chapter states of matter is deleted. That does not mean your ideal gas part is deleted. Ideal gas part is still there in the syllabus. Number 1. Number 2. Now, for example, the chapter solid state has been deleted, right? If the question is asked from the solid state, see, first of all, solid state has got no link with other chapter of chemistry. It's a separate chapter. If a question is asked from solid state, that will be considered as the out of syllabus question. Perfect. And you need not to worry about it. It will be considered as a bonus question for everybody. So why are you worrying about something, right, for which everybody is going to get +4, right? So there is no need to worry about the questions which might be asked out of syllabus or from the deleted portion. Perfect. Like solid state, right? I hope you're getting what I'm saying, right? Like S block elements. Perfect. Right? These are the deleted portions. If the question is asked from them, it will be considered as the bonus question for everybody. You need not to worry about it. So please and please do not hamper your preparation on these silly things. These are very small things, right? In your NEET paper, if there will be questions asked from the deleted portion, that will be maximum 1 or 2 questions only. And those 1 or 2 questions will be +4 for everybody. So you're not supposed to waste your time on these things. What if question is asked from this? What if question is asked from that? It is just, in chemistry subject, your 10 chapters are deleted. Avoid those 10 chapters, right? 9 to 10 chapters. Avoid them. You need not to study them at all. It is just in states of matter. Do not avoid the ideal gas part. That's something which you have to study. Nothing apart from that. Nothing apart from that. So be focused right? Be focused. Do the syllabus completion as per the new syllabus, whatever has been mentioned as per the NMC. Perfect. Rest about the out of syllabus questions, questions from the deleted portion. You need not to worry. It will be considered as the bonus marks for everybody if the question is asked from them. Okay. So this was a common query which I was getting from past 2-3 days from the students. So I thought of making a small video out of it so that I could clarify all your doubts and queries, right? I hope you found this particular video beneficial, right? So if you want these sort of videos again on this particular channel, right, by means of which you remain updated about anything, do not forget to subscribe to the channel then. Okay, take care. God bless you all and love you all. Bye bye guys. Take care.